ladies and gentlemen, 75th Republic Day wishes to one and all present here. As we all gather today for a special moment.
Parade! Rasia salute! Parade! Say!
பணிவான காலை வணக்கம். நம் போத்தனூர் ரயில்வே பணிமனையில் இன்றைக்கு 75வது இந்திய திருநாட்டின் 75வது குடியரசு தின விழா சிறப்பாக நடைபெற்றுக் கொண்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த இனிய விழாவிற்கு வருகை தந்திருக்கும் நமது தலைமை விருந்தினரும் மரியாதைக்குரிய சிறப்பும் ஆகிய திரு ராஜசேகரன் ஐஆர்எஸ்எஸ்சி அவர்களையும் மேடம் சிறப்பும் அவர்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். இந்த விழாவிற்கு வந்திருக்கும் டெப்டி சிஎஸ்பி சார் மற்றும் எனது சக அதிகாரிகள், தொழிற்சங்க ரயில்வே தொழிற்சங்க நிர்வாகிகள் மற்றும் ரயில்வே கூட்டமைப்பினுடைய உறுப்பினர்களுக்கும் எஸ்ஆர்டபிள்யூ மெம்பர்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். SRT ட்ரைனிங் சென்டரின் பிரின்சிபல் மற்றும் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் அண்ட் ஸ்டாஃப், ரயில்வே ஸ்கூல் நர்சரி ஸ்ரீவித்யா நர்சரி ஸ்கூலினுடைய ஆசிரியர்கள் மற்றும் மாணவ மணிகளுக்கும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். இந்த விழாவிற்கு திரளாக வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய ரயில்வே பணிமனையின் ஊழியர்கள் மற்றும் அவரது குடும்பத்தினர் அனைவரையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்று இந்த இனிய குடியரசு தின விழா சிறப்பாக நடைபெறும் என்ற ஒரு இதோடு நமது மரியாதைக்குரிய சிடபிள்யூ அவர்களை தலைமை சிறப்புரையாக வருமாறு அன்புடன் நினைக்கிறேன்.
அனைவருக்கும் அன்பார்ந்த காலை வணக்கங்கள். Dear colleague officers, members of SRWWO, supervisors, technicians, ministerial staff, RPF personnel, representatives of organized union and associations, teachers and children of the Railway High School, representatives of press media, all the family members and contract housekeeping workers, good morning to one and all, and I wish you all a happy Republic Day. We are all here to celebrate 75th Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day is a momentous occasion in India, symbolizing the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. Celebrated on every 26th January as of every Indian. It is a day to honor the spirit of India, its unity, diversity and democratic values. Join us as we delve into history, traditions, and celebrations of Republic Day 2024 and discover why it is a day of immense pride for every citizen of India. Republic Day marks the day when India formally adopted its constitution, transitioning from a constitutional monarchy to a sovereign republic. It signifies the country's commitment to democracy, equality, and the justice. Our SNT workshop started its journey in April 1958 as a small repair unit at Golden Rock, Tiruchirappalli, and later got shifted to Kodunur on 9th June 1958 with a staff strength of near 60. It has been evolved as a premier institution in the field of signaling and telecommunications by adopting cutting-edge technologies in ensuring safety of train movements and ensuring optimization of line capacity. The workshop has achieved several milestones in the field of modernization of signaling systems to cater the needs of the ever-expanding railway organization. As you all know, our workshop is presently manufacturing various types of latest electronic signal equipments like SMS alert equipment, rapid battery charger, LED signaling units, torch lights, maintenance headlamp, CR test kits, power supply elements, etc. Apart from the backbone signaling items like relays, rowing machines, log instruments, location boxes, LC gate panels, emergency sliding booms, electrically operated lifting barrier, etc. I am very happy to inform that construction of infrastructure for manufacture of modern signaling equipment at a cost of 40 crore being executed by RVNL is progressing fast and has been completed to the tune of 70%. Tender for the production of modern signaling items are being undertaken by RVNL. It will start functioning within 6 months, producing modern signaling equipments like power supplies to video, telecom equipments, emergency panel, etc. At the outset, I am happy to inform that Sri P. Raghunath, SSC Planning PCO, has been selected for the 68th Vishit Railway Seva Puraskar 2023 at GM level. I wish him for many more such awards in future. Not only wish him, I wish everybody to get the same kind of recognition by the organization. This is nothing but a recognition for his hard work and dedication shown towards duties. I feel happy to inform that in connection with the International Year of Millets 2023, it was decided to serve millet dosas on every Fridays in the workshop canteen. Accordingly, Pudariwali dosa was served to the employees to observe the celebration theme promoting millets. This has good response from the employees. I am glad to inform that leave management model in HRMS has been implemented in this unit with effect from 1st August 23 for all the officers and employees of Kodunur and Perambur units of this workshop. During the inspection of SNT workshop and training center Kodunur on 10th August 23, respected PCST inaugurated and released the following: 125,000 QTA2 relay at relay shop. Second, bowing machine with IP67 capability at EMA shop. Third one, modified electrically operated lifting barrier along with operating panel at FAB shop. PCST also inaugurated the following at training center: 1 TPOS communication facility and TPWS model room. PCST announced during the occasion a cash out of rupees 28,000 to the employees of FAB, EMA1, FS, relay shop, tool room and scout and guides in appreciation of the good work done and also for such small innovations. Under the aegis of Azad Ka Amrit Mahotsav 2023, Har Ghar Tiranga was launched from 13th to 15th August 23. Employees were encouraged to hoist national flag in their houses to celebrate Independence Day with the same zeal and patriotism. Under Swachhta Pakhwada 2023 campaign, the following events were held in this unit. On 16th of September, Swachhta pledge was administered to all the officers and staff. Single-waste plastics in and out workshop services were removed. 20th, Shramdan at fabrication section was held. 21st, Swachh Aadhar campaign was held. 25th, Shramdan and tree plantation at training center Kodulu. 26th, Swachh Tree campaign was held. 28th, Shramdan in FS and EMA 2 shops were done. Finally, on 29th September, Swachh toilets and environment program was held. As a part of Rashtriya Ekta Divas, that is National Unity Day on 31st October, the following activities were held. Unity Run was conducted starting from SND workshop Unnur. Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge was administered to all the officers and staff. As a part of Green Initiative in and around the workshop premises, the work for developing Miyawaki type of forest opposite to Railway School, Kodulu, was commissioned on 19th December 23 in association with the Forest Department of Government of Tamil Nadu and also with support of L&T. The Miyawaki method is one of the most effective tree planting method for creating forest cover quickly on degraded land that has been used for other purposes such as agriculture or construction. This type of forest will act as lung for the cities affected by air pollution. A job mela was conducted on 15th December 23 in Workshop Kodulu for giving job opportunity to post-completed act apprentices. 26 companies participated, that is in and around the Coimbatore area participated, and all the 44 act apprentices who have come to job mela were placed. I am also glad to inform that based on the popular demand, efforts are being taken to form R&D team consisting of officers, supervisors and technicians drawn from various shops. This will help in providing insights in developing new products or improving the existing ones accordingly. The future growth of workshop rests largely with the R&D department only. As you are all aware, this workshop has a distinction of possessing 5 IMS certifications on quality, environment, occupational health and safety, energy and food safety management system. I am glad to inform that plans are afoot in sorting production of certain critical signaling items like coin machine, GR support cases at SLT workshop Perambur also. In this connection, documentation works are in progress to get the certification for Perambur workshop, which is expected at any time. Let us review the performance done during 2022-23. Performance during the financial year 22-23 was excellent. I am glad to inform that cumulative outturn up to March was 93.52 crore as against 90.06 crore for the corresponding year of March, which is of 3.84% higher. Cumulative production of coin machine up to March was 3,310 as against 3,960 for the corresponding year. Cumulative production of relays up to March 2023 was 33,147 as against 44,952 for the corresponding period of previous year. Cumulative production of GRS boxes of all sizes up to March 23 was 2,469 as against 2,219 for the corresponding previous year. This is all-time high in the history of workshop for the case of GRS boxes. The cumulative production of SNT workshop Perambur up to March 23 was 3.09 crore as against 3.07 crore for the corresponding period up to March 22. Cumulative value of scrap sale achieved up to March 23 is 14.21 crore as against the annual scrap sales target of 14 crore. Performance in the financial year, that is up to December 23. As far as production activity is concerned, cumulative outturn achieved up to December 23 is 121 crores as against 58.2 crores for the corresponding previous period. The outturn target set for the financial year 23-24 is 234 crores. Cumulative value of scrap till December 23 is 10.48 crores and the target set for the financial year is 30 crores. So everywhere we are within the target and we will be achieving. I must say this shop is
Certificate of Scout Camp. Sedupati Babu, M. Raghu,
அதுதான் அங்கே போயிட்டு இப்படி
இந்தியன் என்பது நம் பெருமை, வேற்றுமையில் ஒற்றுமை.
சொல்லு வந்தே மாதரம், பூமி எங்கும் சொல்லு வந்தே மாதரம், தேசத்து முழக்கம் அச்சுதரு வில்லு ஹரிச்சந்திர சொல்லு இவனோட தில்லு பொய்க்காது. எதிரிய கொல்லு இமயத்தை வெல்லு சொல்வோம், அந்த சொல்லி பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். தீங்கற்ற தேசம் படைக்க நம் கைகளை இணைத்துக் கொள்வோம்.
அச்சமில்லை गणेशाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि அல்லை போலே நாம் எல்லாம் அதன் மேலே ஓடம் போலே ஆடிடுவோமே வாழ்நாளிலே ஆசையே அல்லை போலே நாம் எல்லாம் அதன் மேலே ஓடம் போலே ஆடிடுவோமே வாழ்நாளிலே பருவம் என்னும் காற்றிலே பறக்கும் காதல் தேரிலே ஆணும் பெண்ணும் மகிழ்வார் சுகம் பெறுவார் கலங்காத கலங்காத நீயும் நெஞ்சுக்குள்ள இருளாத விரியாத நானும் இங்க இல்லை எனங்காத்து சிறி கொண்டு வரும் மரபாகு விதையெல்லாம் வாழ சொல்லிக்கிறோம் கலங்காத கலங்காத நீயும் வெட்டுல இருளாக விதியாக நானும் பக்கங்கா பக்கங்கா.
To all the participants, thank you, sir. I announce the individual group award. PTC instructor and team rupees 3,000. Flag arrangements rupees 1,000. Beautification and stage arrangements rupees 3,000. SSC E-Lab and team 3,000. CWM office and cooperating team rupees 5,000. SSC PC shop and team rupees 3,000. SSC EMW and team rupees 2,000. Scout and guides rupees 5,000. Cultural team rupees 5,000. Canteen team rupees 3,000. Railway school rupees 1,000. Civil defense territorial army rupees 2,000. SSC safety and team rupees 2,000. Railway institute rupees 2,000. Arrangements of flex prices, flowers, etc. rupees 1,000. RPF, last but not least the RPF, rupees 5,000. So totally, good cash award of rupees 46,000 has been sanctioned by our CW sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Respected citizens, sir, CSC sir, my colleague officers, President, Secretary, members of International Union, President, Secretary, and members of AIOBC associations, Zonal President and Secretary and members of All India SST associations, and members of SRW, supervision staff, a warm good morning to all. I feel honored to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion of 75th Republic Day celebration. First, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We are all grateful to the Constitution that came into effect on this day. Republic Day is not just a day in a calendar, it's a celebration of unity, diversity, and the spirit that binds to us together. It's a day to remember that we are all threads in the vibrant tapestry of our nation. I take this opportunity to thank our citizens sir for taking the initiative to plan to arrange this wonderful celebration. You are an inspiration for us, sir. Further, I would like to say thank you to our Deputy Secretary sir and my colleague officers, supervisors, staff, and members of recognized union, members of AIOBC, members of AE, All India SCST associations, members of SRWO, Scout members, Civil Defense members, St. John's Ambulance members, and RPF staff. Further, I would like to thank the participants in the cultural program for giving me a wonderful performance on this day. Finally, I would like to thank ELAC, EMW, staff and trade apprentices for putting a lot of effort into the success of this celebration. Thank you all, one and all. Have a nice day. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.